Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Life with Felix Hlophe. So guys, this episode starts off with Tracy and her husband. They are just chilling in Lini, but girl can see, no man, this man is too bored for my liking. So she asks him, like, is there something you want to say to me? Is there something you want to tell me? Then Felix is like, hey, there's a lot of things I can tell you, but what I can tell you at the moment is that Mina no Ayanda, we have broken up peacefully, you guys. He tells her that, and then he says, but in our breaking up peacefully, there's some hurtful things that she said that I don't feel like repeating, some crazy things that she said. Obviously, Tracy, when she hears indaba yokuthi Ayanda said some crazy things, now she's intrigued. She wants to know, what are these crazy things? Though Felix does not want to relive the moment by explaining those things, he ends up explaining it to him. Now, before we get to explain that, you guys, Felix says something. He says, Ayanda, Beno Tracy got along very well, and he believes somewhere, these people still got love for one another. Guys, you know, when he said that, it just made me think, I don't think Felix really sees how he hurts his wife. For the fact that he's even saying he believes Ayanda no Tracy, they still love one another, and clearly in Tracy's diary sessions, you can see girl, out of respect, she accepted this Ayanda girl, but not that at any point she was fine with this whole thing. When can two people who are dating the same man truly be besties, guys? Aye, and abanginjalo. So I really hope when Felix is watching back or watching this episode, that he gets to see how he has hurt his wife or how he's hurting his wife, because I really don't think this man truly sees his wife is hurt about this whole thing. He truly thinks Tracy was like she was truly fine with him taking Ayanda, you guys. So anyway, Felix goes on to explain Pela Ayanda said that when you said that you want me to take a paternity test for our son, because apparently this son wabo, you guys, is light in complexion, and abantu base Facebook, guys, niyayazi Facebook, hey, whether watchandele into engekho Facebook, those people are toxic. To a certain extent, I feel like Facebook is worse than TikTok. Hey, abantu base Facebook, abazokhadi some fun. So anyway, people from Facebook, when they saw Tracy and Felix's son that is light in complexion, people started making comments with the child is not ingane ka Felix. So Ayanda is now telling Felix ukuthi vele Ayanda said she wants you to go and do a paternity test. Tracy rather said she wants you to go and do a paternity test. Now Tracy's like, no, it did not go down like that. I was opening up isfuba sami to her as someone being him temper, telling her how hurt I was about these comments, these trolls on Facebook. But I didn't say I want you to go to the extent of doing a paternity test. Guys. Anyway, next thing we see Awande and Tingo, who are the two daughters of Felix. They're out and about, you guys, going out to restaurants, having some cute sisterly vibes, you guys. Now Awande tells Tingo Pela, Baba told me I'm not going to have umemulo because I have 2 kids. Tingo in her diary session, she's like, I don't get this thing. Kanti, isn't umemulo a gift from abazali to the child? So even if the child has, like, for instance, Wawande has 2 kids. So even if Wawande has 2 kids, she still does qualify for umemulo. Now, guys, I want to hear from you. What do you guys think? Because abanye abantu on Twitter was saying vele Awande does not qualify for umemulo, because umemulo wenzelwa abantu abaziphethe kahle. So if you have 2 kids and you're doing matric, shuti awuziphethanga kahle. Angazi, guys, you tell me about the thing. You tell me, what are your thoughts around umemulo or umhlonyana? Is it married? Or as umzali, do you think Felix should have just done one for Wawande since he was already or since he's doing one for Rutingo? But Wawande seems to understand, you guys. Okay, next scene we see Felix, he decides to go and visit Ubabazala wakhe, who is Tracy's father. When he gets there, you guys, Tracy's stepmother comes and greets Felix, and she's like, "I ungahlali phansi makancane nje." She goes and calls one of the children. The child comes with a blanket, bambathise. I was so annoyed at that, you guys. I was so annoyed at that because I was just like, what is this? Why you guys doing this for the camera? Because uTracy usitshelile kahle ukuthi wena babaz, wena the father, you are hardly part of uTracy's life. Wena the stepmother, you didn't like uTracy. We even heard from uTracy's mother. Now nimbatiselani. Like, what is that drama for? Anyway, while Felix is trying to talk, I don't really know why Felix was there actually. But anyway, the father says, "Hey, Pella, I've heard there's rumors going around which wena you wanna take a second wife. So I wanna know how true those rumors are." Felix, you know, he is good with words. He ends up answering that question in a very respectful way that kinda saved him, you guys. He goes on to say, "No, for now, I'm a plan ami pertaining polygamy amile kancane. Kodwa, I just want you to know ukuthi today asizelanga, or I'm not here for that. So bengisacela ukuthi to come back at another day where I'll be able to discuss this matter in a respectful way. But today, I had not prepared myself to speak about that." He goes on to say, this whole thing of isithembu uyisifiso sabantu abadala. I was just like, but he goes on to say, "But I promise to do things in a right way and in a respectful way." Guys, last week, when Felix went out on a date with Ayanda, when Ayanda asked mayelana nesithembu, when she asked ukuthi abantu bakho abadala bayangivuma yini, Felix went on to say ukuthi yazi Ayanda lo mbuzo angibuza wona, she's cornering me because this has been my question as well ukuthi kazi ba abantu abadala, are they accepting or are they welcoming, or do they want Ayanda to be part of us or not? He didn't have an answer to that. Chigi when he's with uTracy's father, he's saying ukuthi isicelo sabantu abadala kephi la ayibo amanga. Next scene, we see Tracy. She goes out with her cousin Precious, you guys. And one thing I've noticed about Tracy, you guys, I don't know, before this reality TV show, I just thought Tracy is those Instagram baddie girls. I was surprised I'm meeting up, or when I was watching on TV, she's just a humble girl who loves and respects her man, you guys. But I've noticed when she's with her man, Felix, she kind of restrains the things that she wants to say in a sense. And I think it's out of respect that she has for Felix. But on her diary sessions and with her friends or with her cousin, she is a bit more open than when she is with her husband. So uTracy is out and about with uPrecious. She's telling uPrecious ukuthi phela Felix says ukuthi le ndaba yesithembu akayifuni anymore. He doesn't want it. He broke up with Ayanda, or him and Ayanda broke up. And uTracy does say ukuthi she's relieved about the whole matter. Now the cousin asked the right question. She says, how sure are you, this man? Because when are you saying, he said he doesn't want his temple anymore. How sure are you, this man is not going to come back when nalendaba or lenkulume yes temple, but with someone else? Manja Tracy in her diary session, she says, you know what? I'm just going to have to trust my husband when he says that he will never ask me to do such a thing again. He will never ask me for his temple again. I'm just going to have to trust my husband. Now, I'll respect that because, guys, what's a relationship without trust? Do you understand what I'm saying? But at the same time, I'm just like, Tracy, you're the one who said this man has been cheating from the beginning of time. So what gives you the assurance? This man's not going to vusa indaba yesithembu. And you can see that's why I'm saying Felix is so dululu. If she's still crying over indaba yesithembu namanje, this lady, this woman was never fine with Ayanda becoming a second wife. Anyway, but Tracy answers her cousin and she's like, you know what? she starts crying and she says, Wuti, when I asked him that question, he said, Wuti, Felix said, Wuti, he can't get manga. He can't lie to me and say, Wuti, he'll never bring up this topic again. But what he wants us to do for now is to focus on our marriage. I'm like, Tracy, indoda yakhe isahetekile okwamanje. That's why he wants to focus on you guys' marriage okwamanje. But once he's fine, he'll be up and going, my babe. Anyway, last scene, Felix, we see his manager. Felix is supposed to be emceeing at an event, you guys. So he was emceeing at a wedding. And now the one we're getting to see is the awards that he's supposed to be emceeing at. So what is this? His brand manager is waiting for him. Then next thing, Felix, guys, at Kamunke. He kamukas with this other girl, and this girl about to Wendy, and apparently she's the ex. I was so embarrassed on behalf of Tracy, you guys. And that's how I was like, this man is a married man, but he acts like a single person. He must just say, Uguti, he is in an open marriage, because what is this? You going around ufunis tembu esingabhadlanga. Number 2, you're still doing meetups with your exes. Maybe apparently this ex, she was coming from the previous event naye with Felix. I'm just like, so Felix, you went to an MC at an event, a wedding, no how, and you pitched up with your ex. Abantu bathini, yeah. So Felix doesn't go much into detail of why they broke up, but all he says is that Wendy, she left and she went to Joburg and now she's back. But the way he said Uguti, she's back, I'm like, are you trying to say Uguti, you guys are gonna pick up from where you guys left off? But girl says, Uguti, no, Mina, I knew. When Felix and Ayanda were having problems, I was somehow part of the problem. I said, wow. Because Ayanda's out here thinking, Uguti, the inkingas between her and Felix, Tracy is the cause of that. Kanti, girl went is like, no, I'm the cause of it, guys. Ayanda's busy hating Tracy for nothing, Kanti. She doesn't know there's another problem. And this problem looks bigger than that, because this Wendy girl, she doesn't look too humble, you guys. Anyway, Wendy, she goes on to say, Felix told her that he wants her to be wife number 3. But she says in a diary session, I'm supposed to be wife number 2. I'm like, she goes on to say, I don't have a problem with being in Istanbul, Felix, because Felix is a man of security, he's a good person, and he knows what he wants. Because what was now, I want to know, what was the reason you and Felix broke up? Because now all of a sudden you are back, you say Uguti, because she says Uguti, Felix always wanted to marry her. So why didn't she get married to Felix that time? Why is she wanting to get married to him now? For me, it's all about security. But anyway, she also says, Uguti, she doesn't know if men and women can be friends. Guys, I see Vale Lapo. You know, when she said that, I kind of felt like she was indirectly saying, Uguti, her and Felix are still hitting it on. Because when you say, which you don't know if men and women can be friends, and you, the ex, and you're hanging around with him, what are you trying to say? Which you guys are not friends. Ushuguti lenteni yanzayo is more than friends. Yo, guys, the embarrassment. Yo, how you Felix undehlule, guys. Anyway, let's park it right there, because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.